guys, welcome to Unleash Dance. This is our hip hop playlist and today we are learning a move called the sprinkler. So let's get started. The footwork is pretty simple. You either keep your feet in a neutral stance or in a wide stance. And then we shift our weight to our right leg such that the left leg is free to move. After 4 counts, we shift our weight to our left leg such that our right leg is free to move. That's it. Now let's look at the arm movement. What we are going to do is place our left hand behind our head near our ear and extend our right hand to the side. Keeping our hand in blade hand position and our palm facing towards the floor. Now what we are going to do is we are going to push our right hand inwards. 1, then take it out again and push it a little more inwards. 2, and then one more time. 3. The same thing with our left hand. Let's place our right hand behind our head and extend our left hand to the side and push it inwards. 1, 2, 3. Now, while we do this, let's contract. Okay, let's try that. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's the move, guys. Let's try it with some music.
Thanks for watching. If you've liked our video, do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon. Stay tuned.